It's easy to take a picture of your screen in Windows. Use the keyboard combination Windows key plus Shift plus S. A bar appears at the top of the screen, offering 4 options to take a picture. Choose Full Screen Snip to take a picture of the entire screen. A small preview appears at the bottom of the screen. The picture has been copied to the clipboard. You can paste it into a document or click the preview to see the picture. Use the tools at the top of the window to modify the picture. You can crop the picture or use the markup tools. Draw or write on the picture. When you are finished, you can save it as a file or copy your modified picture to the clipboard. Then you can go into a document and paste it. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Shift plus S again. You can also choose to take a picture of one single window, make a freeform selection or a rectangular selection. Choose the options you want, then select the area that you want to capture. As before, you can click the preview if you want to add markup.